Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 11i and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find passwords and security. As you can see here, we've got the fingerprint unlock, so let's tap on it, and if you've got a pattern or a pin currently set, then you will have to enter it in order to get to the next step. If not, then you will have to add it right now. It is very important because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device without the need to go through whole hard reset operation. So let me draw the pattern, and in your case, if you do not have one, just add, and right now we can add the fingerprint. We have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the side of our device on the power button. So let me place the device and let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully, and try to catch every corner for better recognition. And as you can see, you have to put full finger on it. Okay, and now we have to move our finger slightly in order to add all of the edges. So at least try. As you can see, I'm struggling a little bit. So just take your time. Okay, so as you can see, we finally added our fingerprint successfully. Here you can rename it, but we can also do it later on. If you're ready, tap on done. And we've been just transferred to all fingerprint settings. This is the fingerprint we just added after tapping on it. As I said, we can rename it if you want to. So let me rename it, because why not? If you want to, you can also remove the fingerprint. Remember to tap on the stick icon, and as you can see, it immediately changes. If you would like to, you can also add another fingerprint. So that's why you can rename the fingerprints in order to recognize them. Under it, you've got the recognition method, and after tapping on it, you can choose either touch or press. So after choosing the touch, all you have to do in order to unlock your device is to simply tap on the power button. If you will pick press, then you will have to also press the button, like push the button. So I will leave the touch option, and here you can also decide for what you want to use your fingerprint for. So the screen unlock is defaultly set, but here you can also set privacy password, app lock, and here you've got also fingerprint payments. So it's really up to you. I will leave it like this, and let's check if it is working. So let me lock the device and let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, it immediately unlocks the device, so it means that we just successfully added our fingerprint to it. What's more, as I said, if you won't be able to unlock your device, I'm using another finger right now, then you will still be able to unlock it with the pattern, pin or password you just set. So that's why you're adding an additional screen lock to it. So actually, this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Xiaomi Mi 11i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.